Hi fellow investors, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss and analyze about the company NTPC Limited. If you see the chart on my screen, I have clearly mentioned the target levels as well as the entry point and the stop loss. I am going to explain you in detail with the help of both fundamental analysis and as well as the technical analysis, where exactly that we need to enter into the stock, where we need to keep the stop loss and what are the targets and what is the logic behind that. Please make sure you watch this video completely so that by end of this video you could able to have a clear understanding on this company as well as on this stock, and so the reason you could able to gain more in profits from this multi-bagger stock. I'm sure that this stock is going to be a multi-bagger and the target is going to be 400 rupees in near future, which is going to be below 6 months of time, because I see that this company's fundamentals are really very good when I compare it with other power sector stocks. And this company's market capital was really huge, and this company has a very good book value as well as a face value, and this company is paying a dividend of 3.45% from the past more than 5 years, and this dividend is really very good in the current market situations. And this company's quarterly results were tremendously increased, which is almost like 4,907 crore for the quarter of June 2023, and this company's annual results was almost like 18,051 crore. This 18,051 crore is one of the highest for this company, and this company's sales growth as well as the profit growth and the return on equity was tremendously increased when we compare it with the past 3 years. If you compare the sales growth from the past 3 years, the sales growth was increased almost like 15% more, and the return on equity was exactly the same. It's going to be 12%. And when you compare the shareholding pattern for this company is having a very good shareholding pattern from the domestic institutional investors, which where we see a very strong mutual funds like LIC Insurance as well as ICICI and HDFC. And these companies was really very good when we compare it with the fundamental analysis, and this company's net profit, net growth and net assets were tremendously increased from the past 3 years, and this company is really very strong in fundamentals. So I am sure that this company, if you see the chart on my screen, this company's stock was continuously in a parallel channel, which where the parallel channel was broke heavily with a volume which is almost like more than 10 million volume in one day with a heavy green candle. This parallel channel was forming from almost the year 2020, which where the stock was trying to broke this parallel channel many times, which is almost like more than 4 times. And yesterday this company's parallel channel was broke with a heavy green candle with a heavy volume, which where I see a very strong support for this company. And the next day there is a huge bullish candle which has already formed in this company with a heavy volume, which is almost like more than 25 million volume in one day. So the reason this company has clearly broke the parallel channel pattern, which where I see a very strong potential growth of this company. This company's stock is going to be at least 400 rupees in near future as per the technical breakout. This is a very huge technical breakout, which you could able to see that this company stock was broke a channel which is forming from the past 3 years. If you see continuously, if you see this stock was forming heavily in a higher highs continuously, and this stock was in a very bull trend, which where you could able to see that this company stock is going to go and break new higher zones, which is going to be more than 400 rupees in near future. So I want you to keep this stock under your radar and make sure you enter exactly at the right price, which is going to be 210 rupees, and the target 1 is going to be 250 rupees, and the target 2 is going to be 300 rupees, and the target 3 is going to be 400 rupees, and the stop loss is going to be 202 rupees. I want you to wait for some more time, because we see a huge breakout which was happened back to back with the 3 green candles. So I am sure that this stock is going to be go and retrace once after there is a huge profit booking which is going to be happen in this company. So the best entry for this company is going to be 210 rupees, which where you could able to enter and gain more in profits from this company. I have entered this stock exactly at a price of over here, which where I bought 500 stocks, and I'm going to invest more into this company when this stock is going to retrace exactly at a price which is going to be 210 rupees. So I'm waiting to retrace the stock until 210 rupees, which where I see a huge consolidation which is going to be happen in this company as a profit booking, and then I will deploy a huge amount, and then we'll gain more in profits from the future, and then we'll wait for at least 6 months to get good returns from this company. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing my channel so that you will get a notification whenever I posted a videos on breakout stocks as well as value investing stocks. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.